I believe that we will. I believe that we will.
Hi, I'm Emerson Fuller and welcome back to Trojan TV. This week we have a 4-day weekend and we asked people what their plans are for Labor Day.
What's your guys' plans over the Labor Day weekend?
I'm going to the lake with my family.
I have a soccer tournament. Probably just hang out with my family.
I'm going to Oklahoma with my friends for my friend's birthday.
I'm playing Apex Legends.
I'm going to see my grandparents.
Going to Maine.
I'm having some family over.
Probably just going to the lake.
Me and a friend are going to Aspen for my birthday.
K-State game.
I'm going to Missouri to visit my grandma.
Football game.
We had a Pep Assembly on Thursday to get ready for our football season.
Today we're going to be going through kind of what the games are going to look like. October 13th, we have our Blue Out game against Central. Here at home, we have heroes versus villains. The Blue Crew's going to stand up front and they're going to lead the theme.
Here's some clips of band practicing for the halftime performance this Friday at our first football game.
Detail, attend. And low reads. Here we go. Check your drill card.
Set, 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 set.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Trojan TV. See you next week.